All right, so step one is to remove the old doorbell. So after you get your doorbell off, you disconnect the old leads. They are low voltage, so you shouldn't need to turn your power off, but you should always double check just to be sure. If you don't feel safe, you can always just turn your power off. Next, you take your leads and then work them through the middle of the mounting plate that you got with your Skybell. And again, they're low voltage, so it doesn't hurt anything, but just keep them from touching or else the doorbell will continue to go off. Once you have the leads through, you're going to screw your mounting plate, after which we will then connect these down here so that we actually have a connection. After you get your leads tightened down, you want to make sure that they're in this little channel here on either side. Doesn't matter which one is which, you can just get them established however you like. Just kind of tuck as best you can the wires back there. For these guys here, I did have to use a smaller Phillips head screwdriver, so you're not going to be able to use one for all of these, as well as the lockdown for the actual doorbell underneath here is going to be a smaller Phillips head as well. So what you do next is you just take your Skybell here and you mount it up. But of course, I have to take this down a little bit before we can do that. So line it up, and you give it a little push, and there you wait roughly 10 minutes, and that says it's charging. We're just gonna screw the lock in underneath, and then we'll be good to go for the next portion. Now, talking about this mounting screw, you're not going to screw it in all the way. It's secure. If you try and screw it in too much, I hear the plastic kind of straining a little bit, so you want to tighten it just enough that you can tug on it and it's not going to come off. And there you go, it stopped blinking, so it's good for setup.